I added some, here we go, we added some dhania patta to it. I changed the vessel because the quantity was a little more. Then I thought, when the groundnuts are likely seen and crispy, children would like it more. So our next step is to boil some nice hot oil. Add, what you can do is, see, this is vada consistency, right? It will stick mildly to each other and it won't be gooey or it won't be very tough also. It's moderate moist because of the adding it to the oil. Second one same way. God has given great all equipments in the hands and legs. We don't require support of anything else. See this? This is the second one. Now I'm making the third one. Hi Shambhu, you are still there? Say hello. Hi. Shambhu wants some vada. They give a constant company when you cook. The third one. Within few minutes in the medium flame you run it. You don't require a very high flame. It will get done. See remaining atta. Make some chutney for eating. It will be wonderful. Even on a rainy day. See, this is almost done. Nice yummy sago vada. Sago, which is mostly used for fasting. Sago is used for fasting in North India. You can make it a little more uniform and nicely roasted also. So I make it more roasted and more of red color. Thank you. Enjoy with some chutney.